What's up YouTube? My name is Chad. This is the Wisco Boater channel, and today the first project of winter maintenance on Clifford begins, and that is to pull the shower sump out of the midship bilge, which is right underneath me. So I got to start by pulling up this carpet, which is just snapped in place, and then I'll open up the midship bilge and get the camera on it to show you via the tripod what that process entails. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. There might be some kind of gross looking water in there, but it's just gray water, so it's nothing dangerous or toxic or anything like that. So it just needs a good clean because it's kind of just built up some grossness over the years. So sump works good, just a good clean. So here we go. Let's get the sump pulled. All right, so carpet comes up easily. Okay, and then in here, let's see. Is the midship bilge. So this is the shower sump that I'm going to be working on removing today. There is no water in here. That's fantastic. So I brought along my shop vac just in case I needed to clean some of this out, but no water present. There is water in the sump itself, but none down in the, it's dry down here on the bottom of the midship bilge. So that's good. So I'm gonna get some screwdrivers. We'll start unhooking these various hoses, and then there's a strap that holds the box in place and a set of wires. I'll probably have to cut those and put them back together with some connectors when I put it back in. So this should not be all that bad. Fingers crossed. Okay, so it's just a matter of undoing the hose clamps on these hoses. So I'm going to loosen these up first, and then I'm going to get a marker and label each one of these. Might get a little bit of water out of these, I doubt it. But it's possible. Actually, I don't think I need to label these. These two are tied together. So I'm gonna take a quick picture though. Now, this, yeah, getting these off is gonna be fun without cutting my fingers up. Oh shit. All right, well, as per usual, things don't always go as planned in this, nothing new here. So earlier this summer, I actually bought another shower sump. Or I should say last summer at this point, since it is 2021. Because I just thought this one was gunky and needed to be replaced. Then I decided, no, I'll just pull this one out, clean it, and put it back in. Well, as I said, things don't always go to plan. So, when I pulled this hose off, the plastic fitting off of here just snapped right off. So that means right away this is junk. Also, in taking this hose off, I had split it a little bit, but I think there's enough left here to get everything reattached. This one came off easy, and the one down below came off real easy. The one back here, let me turn the light on. This one back here, it just split. So, I know it's kind of gross down in there, but it's just water. So this goes right up to the drain in the head, which is right here. So I'm gonna have to get a new water line for that, which not a huge deal. Access is not terrible. So I got to pull that off the other end as well and figure out how long to get that. But the sump is ready to pull out. I just cut the wires. There's no reason to do anything else with them. I'll cut some of this corrugated stuff off so I can rewire the new one. But yeah, this is ready to pull out, and this job is basically done until I get the new sump. All right, so let's get the dangerous stuff out of the way, and it just lifts right out of here. Yucky water coming with it. Okay, so this hose is not coming out. The clamp is as loose as, I mean, it's just dangling there, and I cannot get that white fitting to come off the black elbow that's in the back there. So I'm afraid I'm gonna have to leave this for now, because I got to figure out a way to get that off. And unfortunately, I think the only way to get it off of that elbow is to use some heat. So I don't have my heat gun with me. It's not something I really thought of as I was packing things in the car yesterday. So I am gonna have to come back and make this a separate visit. But I think that's the removal of the sump. So we'll wrap up this video as the removal video, and then I may show the removal of that last hose in the beginning of the next video. But I think just applying some heat to it will loosen it up to the point where I can slide it off that elbow that's in the back there. So that's all right. I think all the other hoses are fine. The wiring is not compromised in any way. So I'll order a new sump, and then I'll show the installation of the new sump. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't all that exciting, I know, but that's the removal of the shower sump. So we'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one. Subscribe if you like, send me some comments, but definitely hit that like button if you liked it. So we'll see you next time. Happy boating, everybody.